Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette stuff. Today I want to talk to you about Black Friday. So guys, this year we are doing a big 15% off everything we sell on the website. You don't need any code, you don't need anything. As of when this video comes out through midnight on this coming Sunday, so throughout the entire holiday weekend, everything on our website is an additional 15% off. You're still not paying any credit card fees and you're still not paying any domestic shipping. All of that's included. This is just our gift to you for the holidays, and we hope that you take full advantage of it. And don't forget, we have our carbon fiber shifter knobs and a bunch of other cool items on there that might make great stocking stuffers for somebody, the Corvette fan in your life, maybe even just you. That said, we will be closing at 5 o'clock on Wednesday this week. We will be closed Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The website will still be active, and of course, everything that you order over the holiday weekend will ship out on Monday. But we will not be here Thursday or Friday like we normally would be on a regular week. So, Black Friday sale, 15% off anything on our website. And this is our early Christmas present to you. So enjoy your holiday with your family. I will see you again with more cool information next week. Oh, and since this is a really short video, Tony has asked me to ask you, we are so close to getting to our 100,000 subscribers that I've been trying to really work to get by the end of this year. We are just under 90,000 subscribers at this point. So if you haven't subscribed, your best Christmas gift to me, other than spending money, which is always appreciated, if you would just subscribe, it's free, it costs you nothing, and that would help me attain my personal goal of getting to 100,000 subs this year. So if you haven't subscribed yet or have Corvette friends who haven't, please reach out to them and tell them it is their free Christmas present to Lyle. Thank you.